Hello, welcome to this Python tutorial. Today in this Python tutorial we're going to be learning about the string method. This string method is called replace. And what does it do? It is used to search for a string in a larger string and then replace that string. So here what we have in this code is we have the myname variable inside of which is stored the string James Babel. And the idea of this is like what we have in our database, and a user who should have saved his name as a rabbi has saved his name as a rabble. And what we want to do in the back end is we want to search through the string James Babel, find a portion of that string that is called rabble, and then change that portion to rabbi. So what we're doing here first is we create a variable called error, and in it we store the input function, which is going to require us to enter a string value, and then we have a change variable. We have change variable inside of which we store the input function, but this time around the input function is not being called, it is being referenced, so that much later in line 8 we can call that function. Now we have a variable called update, and in it is stored an empty string where we will be storing the updated name. So here we use an if clause to check if the string we enter in the error variable can be found in the myname variable that holds the name. So this is how it works. In the error variable, the value is going to be rabble, and then when we do that, if that portion of the string, if that string is found in myname, then it's going to be replaced using the replace method. And how does the replace method work? It is bound to the string. Here it's bound to the myname string, and then it takes two different arguments. The first argument is going to be the string that is searched for, and then the second argument will be the string that is going to replace the string we search for. And all this will be stored in the update function, in the update variable, which will contain the new name that will be printed. Now the else statement in line 10 has been presented so that if what we type in the error variable cannot be found in the myname variable, which is James Babel, then it's going to print, the program is going to print name error, not found. So very quickly we're going to be testing the program to see how it works. To run our program, of course, we use the Python command and then the name of the file .py, and then we hit the enter key. So it says enter wrong name. So I enter the name rabble, and then it says enter preferred name, and then I enter the name rabbi, and then it prints the update, which is James Rabbi. Now one thing we can do, we can test to see if the program is going to respond when we type a string that is not in the database at all. So we run the code again. We say the wrong name that we want to change is Mike. So it says name error not found. Name error not found. So this is how to use the replace method for strings.